YouTube, what's going on? Consumer Reviews and DIYs here, back with another review video. And today we are reviewing the Bobtot computer speakers. These are currently on Amazon for $39.99 with an $8 coupon as of today. And these are supposed to pump out some high quality sound. You got two speakers. You plug and play, right? So you connect it through your USB-A to give the speakers power. And then you connect the headphone jack to produce the sound. Lights up, has like the, dancing colors, but I want to bring it to the channel today. We'll unbox it, take a look at it and see, our computer speakers really relevant right now, because with these speakers, I am thinking that a Bluetooth portable speaker would probably be more efficient. But, let's check them out. I was able to get these for a pretty good price, lower than what's listed. So, again, I'm bringing them to the channel. You guys give me your perspective and let me know. First and foremost, if you're into lights, you're into, light shows, this may be appealing to you. So this is the box. All right, let's see. These are supposed to be, I think, from the website, 5 watts. All right, let's see what we got here. The connection 3.5 millimeter jack. All right, so we got RGB lights. These are 2-channel stereo sound. It's supposed to be plug and play. And let's get the Amazon part number. All right, let's get these guys unboxed. All right, so we got a quick start, guys. So at least we got something to give us some manner of instruction. And let's go ahead and get this plastic off. And then we'll get these from a different view, a different angle with some more light so you can really see these guys. That's a better view right there. So on the front, you have a headphone jack just in case you want to connect. You have the volume button that's in the front of the speakers, the logo there, Bobtot. And that button to the right, that is going to change the different light show settings in case you want to see that on the speakers. So the back just has the connection, and I'm assuming based upon the hose in here, if you wanted to mount this somewhere, you had the necessary screws, you could probably do so. The other speaker, which I have in hand, that's where you're going to have your USB cord that's going to go out of, but then also to the connection for the 3.5 millimeter jack. All right, so let's take a look at the different light settings. All right, so we have that. All right, cool. We have lights that, kind of illuminate. And then we also have a dancing type of light show as well. So a lot of different graphics on here. And if you're into this type of thing, where you like some speakers with some, some different animations going on in the background, then maybe this may be, it for you. Again, guys, I'm still leaning on just using a Bluetooth speaker and not so much as these. Not to mention, when I hooked the 3.5 millimeter jack in, I am getting some static feedback that's coming through, but I really want to do a sound test. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be playing a song through my MacBook speakers, and we'll go ahead and test how loud this gets. Now, this is the first test is going to be from the laptop speakers, and we're going to then play the same song, and we're going to use the Bluetooth. I'm sorry, not Bluetooth. The computer speakers to see which one is louder. So I'll be quiet and I'll let the test go on, and then we'll connect back with each other. All right, let's go ahead and bring that volume down. Guys, that was the MacBook computer speakers playing. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section. I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. It's a MacBook, and again, you're not going to, host a block party, right? Or you're not going to facilitate this year's family's cookout with the MacBook speakers. But if it's just about your personal space and sound, then it'll get the job done. But that's not what we came here for. Let's go ahead and test out these computer speakers to see if they're significantly louder and if they're worth the money on Amazon. So we're going to go ahead and get the test started, and then I'll go ahead and connect back with you. Wow. All right, so we're back. The Bobtot, the Bobtot, that's such an odd name. Speakers did hold it down. The sound is significantly better. But again, guys, I still can't really recommend that these are a must purchase. Again, I think you can get more utility from a Bluetooth speaker. Does it sound louder? Yes. Is the sound quality a little bit better? Yes. The negatives, like I said, you got your 3.5 millimeter head jack, which is a little bit outdated in my opinion. So I did get some static, and you also need to plug this up via USB. All right, guys, that's my review. That's my test. I hope you liked the video today. I hope it brought you some value. Speaking of value, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe up to the channel. This channel is full of DIYs and product reviews. You will surely find something to meet or satisfy your needs. Shout out to everybody that have subscribed already, and shout out to those that leave comments in the comment section. I'll catch you guys in the next video.